The philosophy is that CAT prep is not about perfection. You just need a net score of 50%. So the paper is about fighting through with your demons, and you have to learn how to fight with your mock tests, etc. And best approach is start off with an audit of each of the question types. Find out which are your strengths. You will already have some strengths because you have some aptitude, and then you'll have certain weaknesses. Allow those weaknesses, get into a 10 days per paper mock test mode. So 3 mocks per month you start taking, understand what kind of scores you're getting. Face the fact that you're getting 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, whatever you're getting in whatever context of the mock exam. And then your study sessions has to be targeted study sessions. Rather than saying कि मेरे को पूरा cons का portion complete करना है. If you find that you're good at 5 chapters, you will not do much on that. But you find your 4 chapters are average and 7 chapters a week. You focus on those 7 chapters, and your preparation cycle obviously gets shorter, right? And do that for the first 2 months. The next 60 days, you have to move to 4 tests per month, intensify the sectional tests, and continue targeted study session. This is the most important part. So you continue your study sessions, but they have to be targeted. So the way it goes, I'm not getting scores in time, speed, distance. I'll go and solve 100 questions on time, speed, distance. If anybody solves 100 questions on his own on time, speed, distance and comes back to the test, I can guarantee you that your scores will improve. If I solve 100 questions on a topic in which I'm not doing well, I'm sure my accuracy improves, my solving skills improve. It cannot happen that I'll not learn. So have a learning attitude in your study sessions, and the repair of individual question types, the individual topics might just be 6 to 8 hours away from you. So focus on those repair strategies rather than building the whole boat. And then last 60 days, get into intensive mocks, 2 to 3 mock tests per week. Keep raising your scores, but if you find that your score has blocked at certain points, which will happen to a lot of you, then you need to work on identifying the study session objectives and going through those study sessions and coming back to the tests and overcoming those blocks and those leakages.